In this quick guide, I'll show you how to access your Miro boards and get started with your projects in seconds. Once you log into Miro, you will land on your dashboard. This is your main workspace where all your boards live. From here, you can easily find every board you own or any board shared with you by teammates. It's designed to keep collaboration fast and organized. On your dashboard, you'll notice two main sections, your boards and shared boards. Your boards are the ones you've created or have ownership of, giving you full control over editing and sharing. Shared boards are those your team has invited you to join, perfect for brainstorming or ongoing projects together. To open a board, just click on it and you'll instantly enter the workspace where you can use all of Miro's tools, from sticky notes and diagrams to sketches and mind maps. If you're managing multiple projects, use a search bar at the top of the dashboard to quickly locate the right board by name. If you can't see a specific board, make sure you have the right permissions or ask the board owner to grant access. Once you're in, you'll be ready to collaborate in real time and bring your ideas to life. And that's it. Accessing your Miro boards is that simple. Everything starts right from your dashboard. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Miro tutorials. And happy creating!